SWL2 never had the opportunity to actually be in an operating position or as an operator's shack. I guess there is kind of an olfactory item that goes along with the radios, with the mystique of just the glow. It taxes and includes all of the senses. Robin T123, I guess that's the original, or the first of the T series anyway. There may have been some earlier Robins out there, but man, sounding good, just great audio. You've got it set up perfectly, not overmodulated. Of course, I'm beginning to think that outside studios are the best. You don't get any reflections from walls and anything to color the microphonium sound, and you do get some natural elements, whether it be partying neighbors, traffic sounds, birds, or the flicker of the citronella candle. I guess it warms up the mosquitoes aren't as bad. The abatement districts start getting their acts together, and it's a little bit more pleasant. You don't need the heavy-duty glove sets for sure. UR Radio 14, give us another transmission. The Robin is, as always, sounding good.
Why, thank you. No mosquitoes. Of course, with all the flames and the citronella, the neighbors in back of us have finally decided to make sure that their pool is no longer green, which is a bonus. Yes, what a goofy is that these old radios are. There's nothing, absolutely nothing better. I will say I've got it's going to just eat at me that I did not go mobile with this radio tonight. I did have a plan, and I worked out the little pieces that I needed to go mobile with it. And of course I got too lazy, but oh well, such is life. Anyways, back to you. Thank you. Great show. Good to hear everyone. Absolutely, it just makes it when you got a bunch of guys checking in great radios. So, as always, thank you. And back to you, OTR.
All right, thanks for getting in here before we have to shove off. I don't know, I may be on this new schedule forever, so hopefully at some point we'll kind of get back into the groove. The summer OTR is always a good one for staying up late, but man, it just, if I go any later than this, it just makes it very tough to get through the show in the morning, so. Good deal. Well, we will look forward to your mobile operations in the future. We do have, as you know, a couple other stations that dare to go mobile. We've got Eric, who has given us a few mobile check-ins, and we'll look forward to some of those this summer. And of course, Cliff out there in his mobile radio, and you can join those two sometime with your Robin T123, and let people know that yes, they're big, they're metal, and that's why they got 6 and 12 volts and all this stuff, because they run mobile and often did in their assignments as business radios for the Citizen Band. Robin T123, thanks, Mike. Sounding good.
75.
All right, two stations. We've got 75, and then we'll pick up 20. So over to 75, and I don't think. Hello, Patrick. I don't think I got you on the roll call. I'm going to check on that for sure, but let me head over to the roll call page first and send it over to Mr. Scrambler.
Oh, thank you much. This is SWL75, and I'd like to check in. And I'd also like to do a proxy on 145.
Okay. I don't think I heard. I don't think I heard Jim and Eric this evening so far, so we're going to proxy check in for the gentleman Jim as well.
All right. Thank you much. I really appreciate it.
All right. Appreciate you stopping by. Sounding good tonight, Patrick. We're enjoying what's left of the net here, and fine. Our first net program of summer of 2010. We're all enjoying the radios and the nice evening. Thanks for checking in. I think we have Radio 15 hanging out there, and Harvey at the microphonium. Over to you, sir. talked on that. There was something going on with that. You know, maybe it was the relays on some other device, but that was a 100% crystal clean, no caffeine transmission for Radio 15 on your X. About the only one we hear these days. I know there's a few out there that are kind of sitting around, but the probably one of the few active buddy bases around. Give us another transmission. Sort of like they'll do in the 4th of July fireworks. They always save the big poppy, you know, up in the air, pinwheel American flag for the final shoot off there. Buddy bass sounding good. You know who's got one that hasn't checked in a while is Steve Unicorn. So give a little talking to get the buddy fired up. Thanks for Radio 15 sounding good. OTR listening.
Hey, break OTR. Over.
Wow. He's the fastest coax in the West. Go ahead, Break OTR.
Yeah, fastest switch box. Okay, this is the General Radio Telephone Super MC 100 prototype with the Turner Custom Special one, painted gold, +3 type height. 23 channels, actually 24. No waiting, cellular patrol in there somewhere. 4 meters, no waiting to look, and a whole bunch of controls and switches and fun stuff on this puppy. Anyway, 10 o'clock, back to you.
All right, Radio 16. That was 9:58, but I look over there and it is 5 o'clock UTC. General Radio Telephone, and between the two, the Buddy and the General Radio Telephone, you were close enough on the key up there. The Buddy's got a little bit more on the high end of audio, you know, a little piercing, but man, the General Radio Telephone, what a smooth sound. Just as loud as the Buddy almost, but a little bit more on the low frequencies. Very smooth, upward modulation. Signal is equal to the Buddy. I think it gets a point for this one. Gets some good upward. So Super MC 100, man, what a keeper that is. And I'd love to get that thing on the audio board. Oh man, I bet they would scream. More so than it's doing now. Radio 16, the prototype. Talking about a radio you will only hear on the old Tube Radio Network. That is certainly one for our record books. If you still got the coax on it, we'll take another transmission. If not, we're glad it made the list.
Oh, yeah, did not hook it. Did not unhook it. Still here. Okay, General Radio Telephone Super MC 100 prototype. And time for you to count.
Yeah, counting and amounting coming up here. You know, I don't know where the jingle singers are in the scheme of things here. We're going to press the run button. That's the button I want. Yeah, let me do a few counting and then we will just in time, because I think I have all my extra energy I've got has been has gone away. All right, good deal. We'll be right